Hi, here we are trying to make a light dimmer switch by using a potentiometer to control the brightness of the LED. So this is a potentiometer, and when it's turned left and right, it actually controls the amount of resistance that goes through the whole circuit, and it controls the voltage that runs through everything, and also eventually controls the brightness of the LED here. So we'll try again. It becomes brighter and becomes dimmer and gone. And here's the code, everything, and let's see the reading. Yeah, so right now, because it's 0, let's turn it brighter, so it keeps on increasing and it reached the analog LED. Now I'm turning it off, so it's off. Yeah.